Guardian. Fight smart.
Oh, it's on Bannerfall.
Hey guys,
Let's go.
so me and TuNe REVOKER, I'll leave this link in the description, are going for
Take 3.
the Luna's howl. There's 3 of our in. Keep that jump snipe, by the way.
Okay. Oh, I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. Just...
Yeah, so Luna's howl on at 3% for the first fight. He's at 86.
81.
And we're both gonna be taking this fight.
This guy is heavy.
You're out of line.
Oh,
Fight
we're
on
getting
just
whooped.
the same.
Yeah, bro, it's our team. Oh no, it's never mind. This guy had heavy.
Invisible. I'm dead.
You're knocked out.
I scored okay.
Only 1 minute left.
So for the first phase of the quest, all we have to do is get
Not this
Bruh.
time. You've been defeated.
I was about to kill him and then I got flinched like crazy. This is I don't
The
want to talk
enemy
about it, bro.
leads. Catch up and crush them.
I'm really trying to body shot only with my sniper, just so that I can
Get the final blow with the
get
hand
that
kick.
juicy final blow with the hand cannon. Yeah. Body shot him.
Oh, that got me
Or
so
not,
low.
because I'll get flinched. Crazy.
3 lives left.
Stop running.
So bully for last week. Ow, I just.
How was I doing so good earlier?
Because it was against me and I'm horrible.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's facts. He's using Luna. I low-key should just start like putting on
No more lives on your side.
should put on
Knocked out. 1 minute left.
Just
no, I'm using recluse right here. I don't know.
Of course it is.
Then I get
Three
flinched like
stacks with
crazy.
960,
Your opponent's got the better of you.
940, and 921.
I have to put on this. Cause otherwise I'm not getting any kills.
enemy-
961, 940, and
Take it.
964. We have the 920, or whatever slate is. Peek again.
Three lives left.
Okay, that guy's just
The J Rapper really should have been involved in this.
don't have outlaw on this server's revolver. I accidentally got rid of my other one though. I'm dead. Yep.
Look at that heavy.
Your team's out of line.
No 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 no.
No lives left on either side. I'm on the edge of my seat. 1
Okay,
minute.
what was that?
No more second chances. Fight to the finish.
If you wanted, Travis, we could get a whole quest up done in a day. One a day.
One opponent
Heavy is horrible,
remains.
so I'm not gonna use that. But as long as they don't get to use heavy, it's so low.
Smashed your enemies to dust.
Nice.
You trail the enemy. Close the gap.
Full hand cannon kills.
Right there. Oh, bro, why do they always
Three
do that?
lives
There's
left.
like someone who goes way on the left, somebody who goes way on the right, and then someone who just rushes up. And then someone just sprays every time. Someone will either spray or snipe you.
I really feel like just using my dad's Luna's howl would be easier than
Dead.
doing it.
No more lives on your side.
Yeah, using it is obviously easier.
You Been knocked out.
They get to 3, I'm gonna have to not.
Since season 1. Hasn't been available since season 1. How does he have it?
You know what? Damn, console loading time is horrible.
Why do you keep changing in-game?
So I have to
1
actually
minute.
be able to beat them. And I'm not gonna do it with that hand cannon.
Nobody cares about the win.
Oh my
Enemy won the round.
You can worry about
I
getting
do care about
payload
the
if we
win.
drop down.
Yep.
Why do you care about
What?
them? Just let them get it.
No. Freak, I'm
Opponent
not gonna just get it, let them win.
Meaningless. Fight on.
We're going full in this howl. Not fabled or legend or anything.
Not even there. Literally, somebody's gonna.
Ooh.
Okay.
Body shot.
He is
and
so
going into the
low.
kill.
Are you kidding me?
3 lives left.
Extremely low. Oh, he's not. And I'm tethered.
Oh, it's game point. That's why they're popping over.
Yeah. That tether was kind of
You're
a
out
waste.
of
though.
life. Fight on just the same.
Why do we always just randomly get
Been
clan
knocked
XP?
out.
That's right when I'm gonna die. Better pop it super if you don't want him to win. He's got on me like stuff, I'm guessing.
1 minute.
Those are all toxic resets too if they have it on.
Allies down.
Bruh. What? One tap?
Lives extinguished.
I didn't
The
never
enemy.
know that that super could one tap. But alright.
He didn't, it's just a fast hitting super. See what percent I'm at now? I'm at 6.
The best thing about being a guardian is you're never truly beaten.
Did I even go up?
Just start it up now. If you get 1 kill, you will probably go up. Well, you'll go up, just not maybe a whole percent though. Travis, promote me.
Hold on. 82. Is it just 100 kill? Or wait, no.
No, it's like 150, 200, I think.
150 to 100.
It's really